Ni hao, de wo, namaste. Let us know what's hello in your dialect. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching cherechiike. I'm super excited. Why? Because I'm about to try a new food. The other day I tried chicken tikka and it tasted so good. Today we're having chicken biryani. Biryani, popular Indian rice. Let's get it. Some side dishes. We have tomato, onion, and cucumber. These I also found quite interesting. Fried cauliflower, stir fried with some spices, salt, pepper, onion. I can't wait to try this also. I have not tasted anything like this. I haven't even tasted cauliflower before. Over here we have, I believe this is curry sauce. Please let me know in the comment section, okay? Looks good. Can't wait to try it. This is also like a sauce. And also this yogurt. I heard yogurt is used to eat the chicken biryani. However, I don't know how that is combined. So if you know, if you're an Indian, especially watching, please tell me how this is used and I'll be glad to use it next time. Chicken biryani! Yay! This obviously looks so appetizing. You can't tell me any other thing. This looks so good. In here, I can see basmati rice, chicken, sweet corn, carrots, green beans, just a bunch of veggies. Let me stop talking. I just need to eat. The moment of truth. I'll be giving my honest opinion on this. So if you're an Indian watching me, first of all, thank you so much for your support all this while. I've noticed that y'all have been watching me and I'm super honored. So today I'll be trying your food. This curry sauce. Maybe it's added to my rice. Let me taste the rice first. Not even find space. There's chicken everywhere. Can join me. Mm. Take, I need another spoon. Mm. This is good. Try some with chicken. Mm. This is the rice. Nigeria and Ghana, I know you all are always arguing about Niger jollof and Ghana jollof. Please, while you're arguing, just add Indian jollof to your argument because this is what rice is all about. Mm. Rice is well spiced. You can taste so many spices in here. Oh, there's almond. This is like almond to me. I'm not sure I'm getting the taste of almond, but it does look like sliced almond. Anyway, I can say for sure that this rice is a 10 out of 10. Don't argue anywhere. I need to try something else. Next, we have the cauliflower. I don't know how I feel about this because I've not tasted cauliflower before. At least I know rice, but cauliflower looks like fried akara balls. Have you seen the video where a Nigerian guy fried akara balls for Koreans? If you've not watched that video, go watch it and you see their reaction. So today I'll be trying a look-alike akara ball in the form of cauliflower. Mm, mm. This definitely tastes so different. Doesn't taste like anything I've had before. Since I'm giving my sincere opinion, I'm not sure this is what I can go for if I have other choices, but it tastes good as well. Oh yes, I want to try my curry. This better be good because I've always heard about Indian curry. Mm. I almost denied my originality right now. This is good. I think I'll combine this sauce with my rice. It really makes sense. I don't know how to combine this. Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to try this next time. But I think I've seen Indians eat something like this in their movies. And there's a way they do it, they cut it and then fold it and dip it into a sauce or something. Let's try it on the curry. I hope this is not the wrong thing I'm doing. Please let me know in the comment section. Indians watching or you've tasted Indian food and you know how it's properly eaten. Please let me know in the comment section. But for now, I'm combining these two together. Hmm, this is good. This has like a sweet taste to it. Like maybe somehow there's sugar in it. I don't know, but it's definitely good. Mm, 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 mm. I still have the sauce over here. I should try it with this. Mm, okay, it has pepper in it. Nice, nice. Of course, this is tomatoes. I mean, there should be any special taste to it, right? It's tomatoes, onion. I know some of you can chew fresh onion. It's good for you. Cucumber, peeled the back. I've actually tried this before. I had it when I took the chicken tikka. I tried it then, and trust me, it is good. So I'm so happy to have it again with my rice. Honestly, this Indian food, as a matter of fact, if possible, please suggest Indian foods I should try in the comment section. I managed to choose this because I've heard so much about Indian rice, but I don't really know much about Indian foods. And here's Korea. I tried most Korean foods because I have Koreans that can direct me or tell me more about their foods. So if you're Indian watching, please let me know in the comment section any of your Indian foods you would like me to try. I'll be happy to try it. This has to be a special kind of yogurt because it tastes so good. I wanted to try the curry sauce and the rice, the chicken biryani. I'm so in love with this rice. Mm, mm. Not even exaggerating. This is good. Wherever you are and you find yourself an Indian restaurant nearby, please give chicken biryani a try. And if you're in India, please have fun. Make sure you eat all the chicken biryanis there. Okay? The sweet over here. Let's taste it too. I mean, we're here to taste it, all right? Oh, it's minty. Iceberg. Oh, what was I expecting then? It's mentholated. Menthol eucalyptus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. See you on the next one. Namaste. Bye.